Hello, everybody. Dr. Steve Sabo here. For those of you who don't know me, I am a practicing emergency doctor. Excited to be with you here today. I am also on the Scientific Advisory Board of Viseo. And I'm excited here to introduce to you the Chief Scientific Officer of Viseo, who actually also happens to be an avid skier.
Snowboarder.
I'm sorry, yeah. Snowboarder.
No, that's all right. Still love the snow. Same sport.
So I thought we would talk to Tracy just for a few minutes today. And if we could we start off and can you tell us a little about your background, please?
Yeah. So I have a degree in pharmacognosy, which a lot of people don't know what that word is. It's basically ethnobotany and organic chemistry. It's basically the knowledge of plants and their active phytochemical compounds. I got my training and schooling in Japan, spent 7 years over there in Japan, and I've been formulating dietary supplements for about 23 years now.
Wow, thank you. So 23 years, I guess you've seen a lot of not only nutritional products or nutraceutical products, but a lot of problems with these products. Could you elaborate a little on that, please?
Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you, the very first company I founded was called Health Education Corporation. And literally that company's purpose was just to bash on dietary supplements. Because when I came back to the United States and saw the unregulation, this was 1994, so DSHEA, the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act that was pushed through by Senator Orrin Hatch, was not into action yet. In fact, it was still 2 or 3 years before that. People were throwing things in a capsule and calling them good for you, and there was no testing, no regulation going on. And I would test products and find that what was in the capsule was not on the label, like more than 80% of the time. Now, again, this was, 23, 24 years ago. The industry's made some great leaps, but what may be in the capsule is on the label nowadays because of regulation, but that doesn't mean that what's in the capsule gets in your body necessarily. I mean, there are different levels of digestion, different levels of assimilation. The same problems that we had 20 years ago as far as are the nutrients really getting in your bloodstream or not, they're still out there today. Those problems still exist.
Okay, thank you. And now my final question is, we're both on the board at Viseo, and so my question to you and for the audience here is, why Viseo? Why should people be interested in the products here at Viseo?
Yeah, well, our slogan at the when it comes to the development team of Viseo is delivering solutions. We are about delivery systems. We try to use the latest cutting-edge technologies that are out there, and that even includes pharmaceutical technologies. If there's a natural pharma technology out there that has proven to deliver nutrients to the bloodstream, we're going to use that. And that's what we used. We started our first few products with the liposome technology, the same technology used in chemotherapy drugs, which is why it's so easy to talk to doctors about these products, because how can they refute something they're already using for their patients? We're just using natural ingredients wrapped in that liposome. So instead of a chemotherapy drug, we're using curcumin or resveratrol, grapeseed extract, things like that in that liposome technology, so that we truly deliver solutions. We deliver those nutrients to the cell.
And we have a new system, right? The first group of products use the liposome technology. And can you tell us about the new products in the system? Yeah,
so liposomes do have their limits. Liposomes are amazing when it comes to delivering phytochemicals, which is, again, what my background is. So, ginsenosides from ginseng and curcumin from turmeric. So if we've got phytochemical extracts, which are what vitamins are too, they're just phytochemicals that have been standardized to, been proven to assist the human body, so they get a vitamin status. When you're looking at something like that in its extract form, liposomes are the best. But if you want to do a whole food product, like a leaf or an herb or a root, a stem, that's what, ginseng root is a root, right? And green tea is a leaf. You can't put that in a liposome, because liposomes are nano-sized. They're small particles. You can do that with phytochemicals, but not with foods. With foods, you have to use enzymes. Enzymes break down foods to our smallest components so that your body can assimilate them. So the new products we introduced at convention were enzyme technology. So enzyme delivery systems are what we're using for these whole food products.
That's great. So what you seem to be saying is we're using cutting-edge technology.
We deliver solutions.
Okay.
If there's a problem, we'll find an answer to it.
All right. I want to thank everybody here today, and I want to thank Tracy Gibbs Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you.